At some point, we have to believe in our research and homework. When a company like SOFI gets downgraded and takes a 15% bath, we've got to be ready to jump in and take the plunge. In this video, I'm going to show you why now is the right time to buy a LEAPS option in SOFI. And I'm going to show you exactly how to buy a LEAPS option in SOFI on the option trading platform. Hey guys, we have a great video for you here today. However, before we get started, if you appreciate the time and effort that it takes to make these videos, all I ask is that you please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out the channel to get the video out to more people, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I think it's super important that we understand the different strategies that the rich are using to get richer. Then we can use those same tools and strategies and profit for ourselves in any market. Be sure and download the free options workshop in the link below. It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stocks. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. Why is now the right time to buy a LEAPS option in SOFI? KBW analyst Mike Perito downgraded SOFI this week and lowered its price target to $6.50. I think it's ridiculous. He cited slowing growth and limited profitability in the first half of 2024.
It isn't all good news for some of those financial plays out there. KBW out downgrading SOFI to underperform from market perform. Now they're saying that they see stagnant technology development weighing on results. A lot of this goes back to origination growth, the lack thereof, slowing origination growth here from KBW, calling out CapEx constraints, calling out limited profitability. They think that that is going to handicap SOFI's performance here, at least in the first half of 2024.
Rich Smith of The Motley Fool wrote an article on why SOFI tumbled. He basically fully blames the downgrade by KBW. He indicates that SOFI will only generate $2.3 billion in revenue this coming year, 10% below forecast, and 17% below EBITDA forecast. But he does point out that SOFI is still growing like wildfire, and he wouldn't bet against them. Keith Nunan points out that revenue climbed 27% in Q3, with total members up 47% year over year, which is huge. It's trading at just 3.15 times forward sales, but it's trading at 98 times forward earnings. So that's not cheap. Justin Pope talks about SOFI scooping up high quality customers. He talks about SOFI being an all-digital bank that offers a variety of loans and services through its smartphone app. Unlike most banks, SOFI doesn't have physical branches, and it conducts business online. SOFI got its start in the student loan refinancing business and has rapidly expanded. That start arguably played an important role in establishing its brand with young, educated consumers. And the bank business is really starting to just ramp up now. SOFI originated only $2.2 billion in student loans in 2022, down from $6.6 billion in 2019. Now that student loan payments have started up again, that business should really start to come back this year. Believe me, I know, with my kids just finishing up college. He also points out that SOFI is priced comparably to some of the mammoth banks like JP Morgan and B of A. However, SOFI is not the same. They are an online bank growing much faster than JP Morgan and B of A. Okay, you probably get the idea on where I stand on SOFI going forward. So how do we buy a LEAPS option in SOFI on the option trading platform? We're going to use the Tastytrade option trading platform. You can do this on any platform or with any brokerage. However, Tastytrade is one of the best and most intuitive for trading options. These are the guys that developed the Toss, Thinkorswim trading platform and sold it to TD Ameritrade. TD and Schwab use this platform today. Tastytrade is even better. Use the link below and you can get cash back when you open an account. I recommend that you open an account with about $5,000 so you can make several different trades. We punch in SOFI in the upper left on the trade page to pull up the option chains. We're going to click on the January 2025 option chain and open it up since it's 380 days to expiration. I like to go at least 1 year out. The stock price is currently trading at $8.31, so we'll buy the 5-strike deep in the money call option by clicking on the ask. The cost is $4.25. Since one option contract controls 100 shares of stock, this is really $425. However, keep in mind, if you were to buy the 100 shares of stock outright, the cost would be the stock price, the $8.31 times 100, or $831. So it's basically about half the cost to control the same 100 shares of stock. Switching to the curve mode, we can see that as the stock price increases, we profit just as if we owned the shares outright. We hit review and send and place the trade. You can see right here where I have already been using this strategy and it's been working well. We're still up for the year, especially after being hit just yesterday with a 15% drop. But now is a buying opportunity, and this is where I'm getting in and buying more. Looking at the 1-year chart, you can see that SOFI was just up at $11 per share in July, and I suspect it will be right back there soon. Keep an eye out for earnings that will be announced at the end of the month on January 29th. I'll likely do a video just prior to the earnings announcement, so keep an eye out for that one as well. All right, guys, if you're a beginner and this sounded kind of confusing, don't worry. It did for me as well at first. We'll continue to learn together in future videos. Be sure and download the free options workshop in the link below. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment, leave a question. I answer every one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.